Hi everyone. So let's walk on the path of self-discovery, self-realization today. क्योंकि किसी ने मुझसे कहा तो खुद की खोज में निकल, तू किस लिए हताश है। तू चल तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है। तू चल तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है। मंजिलें कदम चूमेंगी और रास्ते खुद ब खुद बन जाएंगे। तू हौसला रख बुलंद, आसमां भी झुक जाएगा। तो मेरे दिल ने भी जवाब दिया, मैं खुद की बंदगी करने चला हूँ तो क्या गुनाह है। मैं खुद की बंदगी करने चला हूँ तो क्या गुनाह है। किसी फ़कीर ने कहा है खुद में खुदा है। किसी फ़कीर ने कहा है खुद में खुदा है। So friends, we have all heard a lot about the value of self-discovery, self-realization, because ultimate joy of living is when we know who am I, what am I here for, what am I doing on this earth, realizing our purpose. And that is very important to know the pursuit of happiness, or to have that joy of living, because we have just not come here to be born and to die. In between decides everything, how we live our life. So if we discover ourselves, we will know that we can live powerfully. So I have chalked out 6 steps towards the path of self-discovery. Let's see if it helps. So number 1 is self-isolation. Self-isolation means, it's said that before going out, before exploring out, go inside. If you can't go outside, go inside. For that, you need to really, really cut yourself off from everything and be with yourself for some time. It may be 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours a day initially, where you are just silently being with yourself. You're getting bored to the extent that you want to do something which gives a nice company to you, and that from there the journey begins. So self-isolation is very important, where you are spending time with your own self, and getting bored is really worth it. Then number 2 is self-talk, where you're talking to your own self. You must have seen a lot of people, they are just having a round in the park and they are talking to self. That's not being insane, my friends. Trust it. It's every bit worth it, because when you are able to speak to your own self, then you realize the person you are, and you are very much getting clear that what you have in your head. Then number 3 is self-introspection. Self-introspection is where where you are judging yourself. You're able to experience your emotion, whether you are angry, whether your mood is upset, whether you're happy, you're joyous. You're able to identify various emotions of yourself, and you are able to question them. Why? Because when you question something, then only you reach a solution. So self-introspection is very important when you are isolated and you are talking to self. You realize that there are certain strengths of yours, and there are certain areas to work upon. I don't call them weaknesses, they are areas to work upon. So when you self-introspect, you just draw a thin line between your strengths and your weaknesses, and you know why. You may be able to question it also, that from where it has come from and what is the origin of it, and you're able to witness it very clearly, that yes, I'm angry, yes, I'm happy, I'm joyous, I'm moody, or I'm being rude, I'm being nice, I'm being kind. This is called self-introspection, where you are judging yourself for good. Then comes self-work, because self-work leads to self-worth. So self-work is when you are not letting life happen to you. You are making your life happen by doing something worthwhile. Maybe it may be like, if you have introspected that you're overweight, you start working towards it, so that you get the body which you fall in love with. Okay, for that you have to have a vision. So self work is very important. It may be adopting any good habit, it may be adding something into your life, like adding some routine, or subtracting something which you have not been very very happy with. So self-worth leads to self-work leads to self-worth. Then next is self-expression. Self-expression is a blessing in disguise. If you are able to express yourself in front of others, it means somehow your journey towards self-love has begun, because you are keeping yourself in front of people to be judged, and then it's up to you whether you like it or whether you don't like it, but at least you're cutting yourself open in front of people. And trust me, that's a very very brave job, where you can express yourself. And then self-expression leads to self-love, because when we are continuously repeatedly doing it, expressing ourselves, then we are putting ourselves to the judgments of others. If we are doing it 2 times 3 times and we stop doing it, means the process of self-love is not complete. And again, in spite of getting the feedback, sometimes you will get criticism, sometimes you will get love, appreciation. In spite of that, when you just rise above all this and you are able to put yourself up in a very transparent way, in a very authentic way, and you reach a point where you are not bothered about people's judgment, even if they appreciate you, even if they don't appreciate you, they criticize you, you're absolutely okay with yourself. That leads to a lot of self-acceptance, that leads to a lot of forgiveness, because to err is human. Obviously you will make a lot of mistakes while being on this path, but if you are able to forgive yourself, it means that is the true form of self-love. So once you reach to the point of self-love, then there would be a day that you would be in that yummy space of love, which begins with self-love, and one day it will convert to selfless love. So it will be loving other people also unconditionally, and there begins the joy of life, when you, from being the space of self-love, lead yourself to the place of unconditional love. And that is where we find ourselves. This is what we are here on earth for, to be at the space of unconditional love. So it's a very yummy journey. So I've told you 6 steps. Number 1, isolate yourself, witness yourself, introspect, put whys, why you're facing all these emotions. Then do some self-work, then self-expression, and that will lead to self-love. So that is a journey towards self-discovery and self-realization, and that's a very nice and joyous way to live. So enjoy this particular journey, and do let me know if it helps.